Hello, I'm Lance Barner and I'm from Killgerm Chemicals, and I'm here to show you how to fix a common fault with the Exodus ULV machine. Now this fault is effectively, you'll turn the machine on and it will splutter sort of on and off, on, off, on, off. So that'll come across that quite often nowadays. So how that happens is generally just over time. It's not been looked after, it's not been serviced, or people have left bottles on the machine and left it sort of driving around, and that can damage the bracket. So there's a few different things. So I'm going to show you the three main ways to fix it. So number one, it could be the product. Now that ULV and Aquapie is generally a little bit worse for this. After not been used and it's been stood for a while, it just goes glumpy and it just needs a real good shake before use. All the product labels always say shake before use, so just, I know it sounds silly, but please just read it, shake the bottle thoroughly before you use it each time. So number two, under here, what you can see, this is called the Tygon Seal. So where this is the spike there, and and this is where it sucks in the chemical, and then there's this, when I can really get it off, there's this rubber seal. I can get it off. My hands are pretty slippy. It's hot today, but there's a plastic sort of rubbery seal. You can see there, just on the tips of my fingers. I've got fat hands though, so there you go. You can just see that. Now you get a couple of them with the machine when you buy it free, but I think they cost about 20-30p to replace it. They're nothing, but generally you want to replace this once a year anyway. Reason being is ULV, especially ULV 500, it can start to sort of melt and damage this sort of seal, and it wears away basically. So that can be the other reason why you're not got spluttering, because you've not got a complete seal. And then thirdly, it's your bracket. So if the bracket feels quite loose when it's on there, generally the spluttering can be because this part of the bracket which holds the bottle in isn't pushing up enough and isn't giving a full tight seal onto the hole there. So all you've got to do is just bend it in on itself, quite simply. So literally just bend it in on itself, not too much, don't want to snap it, but so, and you clip it on there, it feels like it's got a bit of strain, so just bend it in on itself. Now that feels nice and tight. Now look, if I turn it that way, it'll flip back. So then, when I show, just to point out, this is just a scented rose water, not an insecticide. I'm not just using it needlessly. It was more for demonstration purposes. So when I put the bottle on, and you can see that fits on the bracket there, and just turn that out. If anyone's ever seen an Exodus, that's how it clips onto the bottle. And literally, just flick it out. And there you can see that sort of constant flow. The reason at the start you get that sort of slight spluttering is because that's just the initial suck up of air, which it just initially sucks it in, and then it starts going. And that is how you use it. It's a ULV machine. Thank you. Bye bye.